Today I'm making a rich, flavour-packed Lamb Rogan Josh, but with a twist. We're letting the slow cooker do all the work for this one. But it's super easy, full of deep Indian spices and perfect for a no-fuss dinner. So if you love curry but want something that's low effort and big on flavour, you're in the right place. And here's what you will need. Right, so I have got 1.5 kilos of chopped lamb shoulder, 2 large brown onions, 25 grams of chopped ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using the lazy stuff. 150 grams of Rogan Josh paste, a can of chopped tomatoes. You will need 125 ml of beef stock. I've not made it up yet, and that's why it's not here. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom pods and 2 bay leaves. So with the onions, you don't have to chop them super fine. Something like that will be fine, and just put them straight into the slow cooker. Right, with the cardamom pods, we want to split them open, so that's all I do. And as you can see, they're split open, so all that flavour will release. Right, let's get the lamb in. A tin of chopped tomatoes, in with the Rogan Josh paste. 25 grams of ginger, in with the garlic, 3 cloves. $125 ml of beef stock, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and before we add the other ingredients, I mix all that together, get everything coated up, and then all there is to do is add the 3 bay leaves. 1, 2, 3. And the cinnamon stick. On with the lid and cook on low for 8 hours. Right, so that's it. Leave that 8 hours and hopefully we have a beautiful Rogan Josh. Okay guys, it's done. It's ready. Let's give it a taste. Right, so remove the cinnamon stick, and remember there's some bay leaves in there what we'll need taking out too. Just a little bit in a bowl. Give him a try. So obviously with this being a slow cooked version, there's bound to be a little bit of difference in taste and flavour, but let's see if it's any good. Oh, that lamb is cooked to perfection. Oh, it's just soft, it melts in your mouth. It's really absorbed all those flavours and spices, and the sauce too is absolutely beautiful. Not bad for a slow cooked version of a Lamb Rogan Josh. So we're going to have that with some basmati rice and some naan bread. And yeah, so if you want a Lamb Rogan Josh, which is kind of easy peasy to do, just put it all in your slow cooker and let that do the work, that is not bad at all. So anyway, hope you can leave me a thumbs up, consider subscribing too if you haven't already done so, and we'll catch you in the next video. Love you, bye.